YouTube, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a burst fade step by step. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys hit that sub button, hit the like. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I'll answer them, and I'll see you guys in the tutorial. Peace. Make sure you guys have a good indication of where the center's at. We're gonna start creating the V. My client has issues with this, so the way we're gonna fix this bulk right here is we're gonna go in with my Wise Part comb and use these blending shears. We're gonna start with our trimmer. C-cup areas right here. We're gonna go about the middle portion of here, and we're gonna end it around maybe like midway towards his ear. So we start first with the more complicated area, right here around the ear. Then we're gonna travel the guideline. Open the lever now, this is the half. We're gonna go a finger above, replicating the same shape of that guideline. One guard lever open, go a finger above now, do the same thing. Two guard lever open, go a finger above the 1.5 guideline now. Repeat now with the 3.5. We're gonna go ahead and line up his C-cup area right here. Start first here at the top of the arch. To meet at the center. So as you guys can see here, we have a haircut with a bunch of guidelines. So the first guideline is with the lever open. The second guideline is 1 guard lever open. Third guideline, 2 guard lever open. And fourth guideline, 3 guard lever open. As you guys can see, there's a trend. We keep the lever open and we just go up a number. How you guys go about blending those guidelines is all up to you. I like going from bottom up, and sometimes I like working from the top down. So it's just all about preference. We're gonna start with the lever open and slowly work our way down into the lever until the lever's closed, and work our way lower into the guideline. I just like double checking and making sure that my guideline is set. So I'm just gonna go over my guideline one more time, which is the half guideline with the lever open. See, it's not cutting, so I know for a fact that I have all of this blend room to work with. So first start with the almost 3/4 open and hit the full guideline. Whenever I do burst fades, I just like working from here to here, finish the blend here, and then I work my way lower over here. So now let's put it midway, and we're gonna hit the midway point of the guideline. So you guys can hit the beginning, but don't go further than the middle point. Close it all the way and hit the beginning. Just baby tap the beginning of the line. So just going through that process once or twice should be enough for you guys to blend out the line. One guard lever open. Let's go 1 finger above now, just to double check and see where our guideline is at. Guard, the second guideline takes 2 guards to erase it. So first we'll go with the 1 guard. So this is 3/4 open. Let's hit almost the full guideline. Go midway. Close it now, hit the beginning. We're gonna slowly open it little by little and work our way until it's fully open again. This is a trickier part, guys. We're gonna grab our 0.5 guard. You really can't see the guideline, so you have to go by fingers. This is 1 finger, and this is a 2nd finger. You wanna start at the end of the 1st finger. That's barely baby tapping the beginning of that line with the lever closed. We're gonna be working in zones again. Barely gently tapping. Go ahead and open it a little bit. Open it almost all the way. Go a tiny bit higher. The last and final step is going to be to repeat the process with the 1.5 guard. So we want to go 1 finger, and at the start of the 2nd finger, we're going to go open to closed.